Good afternoon and welcome to Monday lunch hour here at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. I told you I'd come over to get the Hawaiian A330 that's parked over here. Check that out. We're gonna head over and catch some aviation action today. The Hawaiian Air A330 in town for the Browns game. Beautiful airplane. Probably won't leave until late tonight, so we won't get the departure. But I want to come over and check it out. All right, we're on the back over here on the north side of our executive jets taking off here and 24 left. Beautiful sunny day today, upper 40s. We actually might be in the 50s, possibly even the 60s on Christmas Day. So no white Christmas here. Might not have to wear a coat that day. Get a big hawk on a pole there. Hope you're all having a great start to the work week. Mine's been pretty busy. Trying to get everything pushed through before shutting down in a couple of days for the holiday. This year I got away from retail and not even teaching this year. Even when I was teaching, I was still typically working in retail as a manager. So fortunately, I don't have to do that this year. I'm definitely blessed to spend that time with my family and not be stressed out. So very, very fortunate. United, I think it was 353 heading to Fort Myers, Florida. I did see where there is a KC-135, an Air Force tanker, flying over Lake Erie, kind of doing patterns around the area. I wonder if there's fighter jets that'll be flying over the Browns game here in about an hour. Kickoff is at 5 o'clock. It's a little after 4 now. Oh, there's a fighter jet. Fighter jets in the area, maybe. I don't know if we'll see them here, since the city is about 10 miles away, but maybe we'll see some fighter jets. That'd be cool. I can't film the tanker because they're out over the lake, so really not that close to me, but I was watching them do a racetrack pattern. I guess as the tanker is probably out of Rickenbacker, down near Columbus, Ohio. The sun is not doing me any favors right now. I'm kind of shooting straight into the sun. The lighting would be better on the other side, but I feel like paying for the parking pass today. Will likely be the last time we get a Legion on film up here. This is a Legion A320 is heading to Punta Gorda, but they're closing their stations here in Cleveland before the end of the year, and they're going to move operations down to the Akron-Canton Airport. Their first flight is March 20th, so Northeast Ohio will be without a Legion service for a few weeks. And they're going to move their operations down to Akron-Canton. Someday I'll get to Akron-Canton to do some filming. Not too much down there. It's mostly business jets, a couple of regional jets. And Spirit's the biggest airline that flies out of there. But Breeze Airlines has some operations out of Akron-Canton, so someday I'll get down there to catch them. Good flock of birds. The Legion flight is 1626.
No factor pressure at about 3,000, looking closer to 248.
There's a lot of bird traffic over the field right now. I haven't seen any snowy owls yet. It's been, other than a couple snowstorms we've had, it's been definitely on the mild side.
And as you get close to the city, you're looking for traffic orbiting over the city, left-hand turns, Park maybe on 2,500.
But yeah, we typically see snowy owls up here near the airport. They're definitely off the lake in the winter, so keep our eyes out for some snowy owls and definitely some bald eagles. Pretty day today. Delta 2970, it's an Airbus A320 inbound from Atlanta. Canada 729 inbound from Toronto. Wonder how much longer we're gonna have these. I see the NHL shut down all games across the border till after Christmas due to COVID-19. I wonder if our Canadian friends will stop for a little while again. Hopefully not. Hopefully the stoppage only has to deal with sports right now. It doesn't go any deeper, but a lot of the virus going around right now. Everyone's staying safe. Got a Learjet coming in on 24 left, coming in on the left side. Game day traffic or business traffic? What do you think? I'd say probably business traffic. I think game day would probably come in at Burke. There's a ton of traffic over the airport right now, though. Helicopters, you name it. It's our Hawaiian A330 parked over at the pad. United 2659 737 800 inbound from Chicago O'Hare ORD. Gorgeous sunset right now. Southwest 3761 737 service from Denver. It's coming in on 24 left. I was actually about to kind of make a joke as, you know, say, you want Frontier or Southwest, since Frontier's about ready to go. The Southwest is coming in on the left. I guess we'll get both. All these poles. There's our Frontier. A321 heading to Orlando, 10:45. It's Virginia the Wolf. We're here at 24 left to depart. They actually made a wrong turn and had to double back. Tower asked if they wanted to go out at 28. They said they're a little bit too heavy for that. I like Frontier's livery. They're low-key one of my favorite airline schemes out there. Services, well, they're a low-cost carrier. Get you there cheap. Lots of fees, though. Definitely following the Southwest model, the Ryanair model. A lot more fees for Spirit. They're good airlines. I'll get you there safely. little bit this afternoon. I went and got in my car to get this Falcon and I missed it. I'm sorry. Shoot it in my car, I guess. 486 heading to Denver. United Airlines, 737. We should be up here just about every day this week. There's something cool coming in just about every day. Tomorrow we have Star Alliance and Star Wars again. Of course, these are all subject to change. The Star Alliance and Star Wars. We'll keep an eye out to see if the Hawaiian A330 over there takes off tonight, late tonight or tomorrow. If it's tonight, then we'll let it go, but if it takes off tomorrow, we'll definitely come up here in the morning and get it. The Kent State Golden Flashes are playing in Idaho, in the famous Potato Bowl, tomorrow night. They flew out on a National Airlines A330. I assume that'll be back here on Wednesday, so we'll try to get up here to get that one. Not sure what'll come in Thursday or Friday, but with the Christmas travel, maybe we'll see something cargo or something unique. And then Friday night, the Cleveland Browns should be heading to Green Bay to play the Packers on Christmas Day. So we'll definitely catch what I assume will be United 777. So lots of activity up here this week as we get ready for Christmas. Cessna Citation. It says Sports Med Aviation from Marco Island. Related to the Browns game. That wasn't very good. I apologize for that. Kind of bounced around a bit. Air Canada's ice cream cone, CRJ 200. Flight 732, heading back over to 24 left. They'll be departing to head back to Toronto here in a minute. It's pretty. I'm a big fan of the blue, especially over the raccoon eyes that are on the current Air Canada aircraft. $18.56, 737 inbound from Phoenix. This is one of the new seasonal flights. Oh, behind it. The United Airlines. Air Canada is rolling down. There's our Air Canada. One of United's new seasonal flights, inbound from Phoenix. And the Nassau is one. I think LAX, maybe one. San Francisco, maybe. There's a few new seasonal flights. Got another citation coming in on 24 left. Dark up here, it's not even 5 o'clock yet. But hey, tomorrow is the first day of winter, officially the winter solstice, which means that after tomorrow, the days will start getting longer again. How about that? Airlines 1464. Hey, breaking news. This is a permanent flight, not just a seasonal flight. American announced the other day that this will now be a permanent flight. Airbus A321neo heading to Phoenix, Arizona. Sky Harbor, UHX. So I wonder if this flight being permanent will force South Southwest and United keeping their Phoenix flights permanent, or adding flights for Southwest. Southwest 1970 heading to BWI, Baltimore, Washington International. $737. Head up. Southwest 2913 inbound from Baltimore, Washington, BWI. Got a little bit of light this way. CRJ taking off. American Eagle CRJ. I've got an Embraer Phenom for NetJets. Knoxville, Tennessee is supposed to be going to Washington, Dulles, but is up here. No lights on inside that aircraft unless the window shades are down. Right, and that'll do it for this evening up here at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Hope you all enjoyed the video. We'll be back up here again probably tomorrow to catch a couple special liveries and maybe Hawaiian if Hawaiian happens to still be here. I would imagine it'll leave tonight, but since the game got delayed, who knows. But hope you all enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel and you haven't done it already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. We upload usually about 3 or 4 times a week up here at Cleveland Hopkins. Do a little bit of traveling as well to catch some other airports. I really appreciate your support. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas, and we'll catch you up here next time. Hope you all have a great night.